How many of you from Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry? Anyway, oh, nice number. What about Kerala? Wow. What about India? That is very good. Yeah, Pakistanians. See, microwave ablation. This is my topic. Can you please silence? Keep silent. I'll take only a few minutes. I'm not boring you. For Chennai people, there may be it is a repeat because I did it in recently in Chennai, but I did some painting and tinkering and all, so that may be little interesting. My objective of the topic is definition of the microwave ablation and technology, indication, contraindications, preparation, materials required, procedure, advantage, take home message. My topic is microwave ablation. So there is two words. First I will explain about what is the ablation and then I will go to microwave. Ablation. American Cancer Society says very simple manner, ablation is a treatment that destroys the tumors without removing them. What is the actual meaning of the sentence is, we are not doing any surgery or any intervention other than percutaneous intervention. That means we are placing one small needle or any catheter or any other device and then we are killing the tumor. But ablation is not new word now. But microwave ablation may be new word, but ablation is new or not new word because of already there is a radio frequency ablation. Radio frequency ablation means they are placing one small needle and then they are giving radio frequency energy so that you can burn the tumor. Next is the ethanol ablation. That is just they are injecting the alcohol into the tumor itself and then you can kill the tumor. Next is the microwave ablation. I will be explaining little later. Cryoablation. Cryo means they will put small probe inside and then they will decrease the temperature below the 0 degree centigrade. Finally they can kill the tumor. Last one is IRE. IRE means irreversible electroporation. They are literally inserting the needle and then passing the current so that they can kill the tumor. What is microwave? Whenever we talk about microwave, everyone feels that microwave oven only. It is happening in my house also. See, when I bought one generator at my home and then I kept it one side and my wife is asking, what is this? I told her, always I used to buy a lot of gadgets. Always she is tracking my expense also. Most of the time see that this fellow is buying a lot of gadgets and then wasting all the money. She saw that generator and then she is telling, already வீட்ல தான் ஒன்னு இருக்கு இதுக்கு ஏற்கனவே பொரியெல்லாம் குழம்பு சொல்லி வச்சிருக்கோம். Why you are making this one also? I told this is not a microwave oven. Same technology also is used here, but here what is happening is we are placing the needle inside and then we are giving the microwave generation. Finally it is killing the tumor. Same thing I am explaining to you also. Microwave is one of the electromagnetic radiation, but the only advantage in this is there is no ionization. For example, gamma rays, X-rays and all ionizing radiations. This is not a ionizing radiations as same as light. How it works? It is not actually generating the heat directly, but what it is doing is microwave, it is agitating the water molecules so that the heat is generated. Finally, the tumor is killed. This is one example. This is a small study done in radiology department at medicine. This timer is running there, but timer is not a real time. Just see that how the ablation is happening. You can see the second one, that is the timer here, that is a minute. Within 5 minutes, it is burning the tumor. So is it the easiest, fastest and safety method of killing the tumor? It is not yet available in commercially in Kerala, but recently there is a demo happened here, and then it will be available shortly. Maybe in this complex also it may be available. During the ablation, it is contracting also. What are the other usage of microwave? Not only for the cooking or not only for the medical, it is also used for our mobiles and GPS. Whenever using Google Map, we are using GPS. That GPS is working on microwave only. And radar and solar system and cooking also and medical. There are not only for the tumor, they are using in surgery also for stopping the blood indications. When can we do the procedure? It is very good result shown that it is very good for the liver tumor, especially in hepatocellular carcinoma. Single tumor or multiple tumor can be treated in lung and renal tumor, bone malignancies also. And for thyroid and prostate also there are special probes are available. Mark Twain, he is an American author and humorist. He told that, he is from USA, he told that to a man with a hammer, everything looks like a nail. What is the example is, if you are sitting on the table, when I am giving you one hammer to you, you will be start knocking on the nail. You will be starting, and then not only nail, one time you will be knocking everywhere. That means, when any new technology comes, you may be misused also. For that only, I am telling you what are the contraindications. Liver failure. Microwave cannot be done with liver failure cases. And if any coagulation issues, what is the meaning is, if you are inserting any needle on the blood or any cut is there, it should be clot immediately. If it is not clotting, there is a coagulation issue is there. That should be avoided. And any tumor very close to the diaphragm should be avoided. And renal failure also. Preparation. Usually we used to ask people not to take aspirin because it will be increasing the bleeding time. Blood test, INR is very important for doing any procedure of intervention. Contrast allergy should be checked. Anesthesia fitness is necessary because of when you are doing a microwave ablation, there will be a lot of pain. To avoid that, there should be a general anesthesia or IV sedation also okay. As usual, patient should be on oral. What are the material required? Any investigation when material required, always you go for the what is the generator, needle and all. First, I'll always say that first preparation should be the emergency drugs. That is called, otherwise called it's crash cart. It should be ready in the department first, and then you have to check all the expiry dates of the injections. And even laryngoscope battery also should be checked. CT scanner or ultrasound can be used. And boil support should be necessary. I'll run. And dressing tray, microwave generator, microwave probe. How it is done? We are placing the small needle there, and you can see that it is going across the tumor, and then it is burned. Can you see the color changes? It is actually burning. One more case done with microwave lung. Can you see the tumor? The needle is placed and heat generated. Finally, the heat is covering the whole tumor and tumor is burned. This is a live case we have done with one software and robotic arm. You can see the orange color, that is the tumor, and this is the pink color is the probe. And you can remove the bone also with the software. This is the patient under GA. You can see the robotic arm closely with the skin, and they are inserting the probe. You can see the probe here, the long probe, maybe around 15 centimeters. Once inside the probe, you can connect with the generator and then you can start the procedure. It will take minimum 10 to 12 minutes. Yes. There. I'll give you the closer look. You can see the probe is okay. And it is CT scan. And this is the way it will burn. At the tip of the probe, it will be burning depending upon what is the energy and what is the time you have taken. This is the generator. This is a chart available. For example, if it is 4 centimeter, they will be choosing around 80 watts and 12 minutes. There is small explanation about how to set up the microwave. They are setting around just 2 minutes. Finish. So now it is 80 watts and 12 minutes. Now you can see the results. Can you see the black area within the tumor? That is the air inside. If it is showing that one, the tumor is gone. Now you can see what is the final output there. Only small hole will be there, but whole tumor has been burnt. When you compare with regular surgery, see, regular surgery needs such a long opening, and then, but you can see in microwave only small hole is enough. This is a lung case study. And you can see the ground glass appearance. And this is 3 months later, 9 months later. And one more liver case, liver tumor, 56-year-old, 2 centimeter. AFP. Morning also one doctor, I don't know the doctor's name, he has talked about tumor markers. This is also one of the tumor markers, AFP. AFP means alpha fetoprotein. Nowadays, for progressing of the tumors, they are doing this test. It is a blood test only. With the test, what is the advantage is, when you are giving any radiation or any chemotherapy or any sort of treatment, it will tell you whether the progressive is happening or any treatment is giving like actual input or not, you can understand. See, before the procedure it was around 343 and after the procedure it was 8. That means the tumor ablation was successful. It is 18 months, no tumor at all.
Excuse me, sir. In the interest of time, I have to request you to wind up soon.
Correct. The last slide. I am skipping. Take a message. Microwave is a newer technology which can treat the tumor in the radiology department. I am saying that, I am repeatedly saying, diagnostic radiology department itself, you can treat the tumor along with the CT scanner or ultrasound. Tumors from liver or lung can be used. And the CT, the last stage is